What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashish and I'm a lawyer by profession. In today's video, we'll be talking about things that you need to keep in mind while buying a new t-shirt. So let's start. The first thing that you need to keep in mind while buying a new t-shirt is look for different type of styles and different type of collars in t-shirts. I don't know about others, but whenever I look for new kind of t-shirts, I look for different type of collars that helps me out to stand out from the crowd. And you can try the same. Look for something that helps you out to enhance your personality, that helps you out to stand out from the crowd, because there are different types of styles in t-shirts as well. For example, V-neck, round neck, deep neck, high neck, or even polos. So look for something that suits your personality and goes with the trend. One big mistake that I have seen guys make is wearing their workout t-shirts while they hang out with their friends, which is actually a big no-no for me. There is a purpose and occasion for wearing every kind of t-shirts. You should not be wearing your workout t-shirts or gym t-shirts outside your workout area or gym. Or you should not be wearing your normal t-shirts to your gym, which actually doesn't look good and brings down your personality. Because जो आपकी gym t-shirts होती हैं या जो आपकी workout t-shirts होती हैं, those are specifically made and designed for your workout sessions, your gym sessions. And if you are wearing them outside your gym, that doesn't look cool. जो normal t-shirts होती हैं, जो आपके everyday wear की t-shirts होती हैं, those are made with 100% cotton, so that it is comfortable on your skin and doesn't leave any kind of rashes behind. Another important aspect which you need to consider while buying a new t-shirt is the fitting of your t-shirt. Most of the people think कि t-shirt के अंदर किसी भी टाइप की फिटिंग चल जाएगी या फिर आपको बस कलर चूज करना है, उसके अलावा t-shirt में कुछ नहीं होता देखने वाला. But you seriously need to consider the fitting of your t-shirt. If it is too loose या फिर if it is too tight, it will not look good and it will look shabby and it will degrade your personality. There are 3 simple rules which you need to keep in mind while going for a good fit. Rule number 1 is your t-shirt should never be too tight or too loose on your arms. It should fit you perfectly. For example, this t-shirt I am wearing right here. It is not too loose or it is also not too tight on my arms. It fits me perfectly. Rule number 2 is your t-shirt should be a little bit tight on your chest. But that doesn't mean that it should be tight on your waist as well. It should be a little bit on a more comfortable side on your waist. Which brings us to rule number 3, that is the length of your t-shirt. आपकी t-shirt की length बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी नहीं होनी चाहिए because it will obviously reveal your skin. But at the same time, the length of your t-shirt can never be too long. You can keep it between 1 to 1.5 inches below your waist. But at the same time, if you are on a healthy side, you can take a margin of 2 inches below your waist. After selecting the style, fitting and fabric of your tee, next thing I would recommend is look for something on a plain side, which is easy to mix and match and you can wear them anywhere. Or you can also look for full sleeves tee, which helps you out to look different from the people around you. Just a small advice here, never forget to try different colors when you are going for a tee. T-shirts help you out to look younger, and there is no such thing as gender-based colors in t-shirts. Level up your style game just by layering. Start layering your old t-shirt with a normal jacket or a leather jacket. Or you can also try layering your old subtle shade t-shirts with your suit, which is getting dust in your wardrobe. Because all you have to do is make use of everything that you already have in there. Okay guys, so this one is the most important one when it comes to t-shirt. Never forget to wear your jeans, shoes, accessories and most importantly your confidence. It's your confidence only which can help you out to look attractive, cool, sexy and the most presentable guy out there. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below if you liked the video. Also do comment it down below what comes to your mind when it comes to t-shirts. You can also DM me and follow me on Instagram as well. I am available at Ashish Arora 7. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care.